Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Chewy affiliate program for pet niche content, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the Chewy affiliate program webpage. If you don't have an account, click on the Join Now button. Fill in the required personal information to create your account. Once registered, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Log in to your newly created Chewy affiliate account. Navigate to the affiliate dashboard. Explore available tools and resources provided by Chewy. Locate the section titled Get Started on the dashboard. Read through the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Accept the terms to officially join the program. Now, proceed to the Links and Banners section. Find affiliate links that match your pet niche content. Copy the links you want to promote. You can also select banners to use on your website or social media. Next, create engaging content that centers around pets. Incorporate the affiliate links within your content naturally. Share your content across various platforms to drive traffic. Monitor your affiliate dashboard regularly for performance updates. Adjust your strategy based on what works best in your niche. Engage with your audience to build trust and credibility. This will enhance your potential to earn commissions through the program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.